Yeah, good afternoon. Congratulations to the new, ito yung bagong teleserye ng ABS. Yung first question ko to Echo, parang ang tagal-tagal ka namin hindi nakita on, ano, di ba, on screen. Parang na-miss ka ng mga fans mo, mga co-artists mo. Why you decided to accept the role and ano yung challenges you encounter?
Ilang years nga Echo, no? Ilang years before ka ulit lumabas?
2017, 2018.
Wow.
2018.
Nakakamiss naman talaga.
6 years, 6 years. Oo. Naligaw ako eh. No. First of all, I want to thank all the people I work with dito sa show and sa Dreamscape for actually offering me the role of Tyrone and Arthur, because I had no expectations and I was really blown away. I might as well have, sana nagkaroon na lang expectation, because watching the final product was just amazing. So I want to thank my directors for, just having the vision talaga, and we all shared the same thing. It's nice to be in working with a group who share the same energy and share vision, and that's what I got. So ang feeling ng pagbalik mo ganon, and then ABS, like buhay ulit yung relationship namin. It never died naman, but coming back to ABS felt like coming back to home. And then having our friends here watch it, and then it's such a great show. I'm not kidding, I'm so proud of it. I feel like I made the best decision this year.
Yes!
So, thank you very much. It's the best time to just, one word na lang, para madaldal ako eh. I don't want to turn my back on my artist again. And this is it, full embrace. Yeah. And this is the best team to share it with.
Saka once an actor, always an actor. Di mo naman halos yun, Jericho.
Thank you.
It's always there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Echo. Congratulations. Welcome back.
Thank you so
Yung
much.
second question.
I want to ask you, Alan, how do you feel that I'm back?
So,
No, I'm just kidding.
Baliw ka, Joy.
Boy, that's a serious question, di ba? Parang na-miss 6 years.
Why nga? Sige nga, Alan. Ikaw nga. Ano pakiramdaman mo?
syempre na-miss ng mga fans mo yung acting.
Ikaw ang tinatanong, hindi yung fans.
Personally, yeah, na-miss namin talaga yung Echo.
Diba?
I love you, thank you, Alan. I love you, thank you.
And you still remember us, di ba, nung dumadaan siya kanina dun sa red carpet, talagang binati niya kami yung mga familiar faces.
OG.
Ganun naman si Jericho lagi.
Yeah, that's my strategy talaga, because I always forget names.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Echo. Congratulations. Second question ko for Jody. Grabe, Jody, no? Grabe ka rito sa...
Yes!
Awang-awa tayo the whole 2 hours.
Alam namin hindi ka tumatanggap ng role ng parang yung same, di ba? Same ang inuulit. Talagang bago ka tumanggap, talagang tinikita mong bago to. Yan, parang bago talaga na nakita namin Jody dito. Action, di ba? Parang tinalo mo si Tomb Raider dito. And yung mga fight scenes mo, di ba? Hindi, tanong namin, how was it? Kumbaga, how was it? Paano ka nag-prepare dun sa character mo? And paano ka nag-training? And ano yung mga na-encounter mo during the times na nasaktan ka ba? Ano yung mga challenges you encounter during the shoot?
When it was first offered to me, I think yung isa sa mga bagay na nagpa-yes sa akin sa project is it's new. It's something that I haven't done before. And ako kasi parang I always welcome challenges, and parang I feel na parang when I begin to doubt myself whether if I could do or I could do it or not, parang the more na nanggigigil ako na hindi, kailangan ko siyang gawin. So yun yung una. And then the next is, how do I prepare? So we did a lot of training. We did a lot of strength and conditioning because we don't want anyone to get injured naman on set. Isa lang yun dun sa maraming component na kailangan mong gawing preparation for the role. Kasi may physical aspect ka, there's also the emotional aspect, your relational aspect to your co-actors, diba, sa roles nila, and a lot of psychological aspect also. So you have to do a lot of parang digging, anong nangyari, kung may mga missing na parang bagay, trabaho mo as an actor na i-fill in yung blanks or fill in the gaps, hindi ba? And a lot of talking and meeting and collaboration with everyone, from our creative team to our directors, even to my co-actors. Now we discuss our scenes. paano natin gusto to gawin. So, mahaba siyang proseso. So, part yun ng preparation before mo gawin yung, let's say, yung scene. Kung meron mga nasaktan, ay oo. Ito na yata yung parang nagkapasa-pasa na ako dito left and right. Parang every time na uuwi ako sa bahay, parang may bago akong baon. Baong pasa. Ganon. Pero it's all part of the job. So, and I'm just really thankful na I got to do this with these wonderful people. I'm just grateful. My heart is full.
Congratulations. Worth it naman yung mga pasa mo. Ang ganda-ganda ng pinalabasan mo.
Abangan nyo, Alan, kasi wala pa yan. Kasi pagdating ng second week, third week, grabe, umaatikabong action na talaga. Hindi pwedeng lumipas ang isang linggo na walang mangyayaring hindi balian. Parang action scenes, ganyan.
Ikaw ba yung nagpapa-double or talagang ikaw yung gumagawa talaga ng mga scenes?
As much as possible, ako talaga.
Share nyo nilang, Jodes, yung training nyo ng 5 araw, 1 week. Pero araw-araw kayo ni Jody, kayo ni Echo, kayo ni... Di ba, ang dami yung pinagdaanan, parang 6 hours a day.
Ang nangyayari kasi, before kaming mag-shoot, kanyari, may masischedule na action sequences, hindi binubuo yung routine sa set. Binubuo yun ng stunt director namin prior to the scene na kukunan. So, naglalaan talaga kami ng time for rehearsal. Para din, go ahead, bro.
No. I was just telling them how you wanted to start this Zumba before mag-take kami. Nagzo-Zumba kaming lahat. Just to warm up.
Sa'yo.
Led by
Jody.
The Diamond Star.
Shake, body dancer.
Shake, body dancer. Ganun muna kami. Bago kami sumala. Para alam mo yung deep circulation. Gano'n.
Sample daw, sample.
Shake, body dancer. Ari ko mambo. Sige na na.
Siya yung leader namin. Di ba, Mama?
Anak eh.
Alright.
So anyway, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alan. Salamat. Okay, let's read, before I call in June Lalin, siya yung next na magtatanong. There's a question here from Jeremiah of Lionheart TV. First question is for Janine.
Grabe ang mga fans! Love the energy. Now let's call in the Asian Drama King, Jericho Rosales. Love the lavender cap. Hello, Jericho. Let's call in now Asians. And now, the Pinoy pop culture icon, Jolina Mag... At syempre, hindi makakompleto ang ating Media Asian Academy Creative Awards Best Actress, the one and only Jody Santa Maria. Hello everybody! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Bati muna tayo. Let's start with Joel Mercado, our creative man.
Sana kahit napanood nyo na yung cinema version ng aming serye, panoorin nyo pa ulit sa Netflix, sa TV5.